Have you ever wondered why there are so many Filipinos all over the world? The OFW, which means Overseas Filipino Workers, now also mean Overseas Filipino Wife. Filipinos live and work abroad so they can send money and goodies called balikbayan box to family back home. Cash sent by Filipinos abroad hit a record high of 2.56 billion in 2016. The money from the OFW is spent on food, clothing, shelter, education, which supports the economy because it supports the industry and all businesses that pays tax. There's a sad note to all this. The boxes of goodies are not appreciated as expected. Items of clothing and accessories, however expensive, may not fit the current fashion in Manila or may not be compatible with the recipient's taste. The result is too little gratitude for the sender who scrimp and save hard-earned money to please loved ones. I have sent expensive toys and clothes, which on my visit home, I found languishing in storage. Or worse, they're not in storage. They might have been sold or thrown away or given away. That said, I am happy to show you one grateful family member, Tore. Tore is my cousin's dog. It's not even mine. But here are the goodies that I sent him, which he stashed himself by the door. When I send a balikbayan box, Tori knows exactly how to pick which one is coming to him.
Hi! Hi! Wait, Tori!
He looks so happy to see me, and when I'm about to leave, he looks at me with sad eyes, like he wants me to stay.
Lalong humihiga.
Lalong humiga.
Lalong humiga. Tori!
Oh, now that my father has died, the next time I take that flight to the Philippines, it would be for Tore.